Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Fartcoin on Phantom Wallet. Alright guys, so in order to buy the Fartcoin on your Phantom Wallet, open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link for Fartcoin would be in the description of the video. So once you found the Fartcoin token, simply scroll through till you find its contracts. Scroll till you can find its contract address, which is on the right hand side, and then simply copy the contract address. Once you've copied the Solana contract address, we're going to need a Solana Web3 wallet in order to make this transaction possible. So in this case, we're going to be making use of the Phantom wallet. So simply open up the Phantom wallet. Once you've opened up the Phantom wallet, make sure you have some Solana to be able to swap into the Fartcoin and to cover your gas fees. If you do not have enough Solana, where we have the buy icon on the dashboard, click on this buy, select Solana, enter an amount of SOL you wish to buy using your credit or debit card, and then where it says credit or debit card, click on it, and then you'd find the options for providers you could simply buy your Solana tokens using. So once you've entered the amount, simply click on buy and you'll be redirected to their website. Alright guys, so once you've gotten yourself some Solana, all you need to do to simply get the Fartcoin or buy the Fartcoin is quite easy. Head to the swap section at the bottom of your screen here. So where it says you pay Solana, you receive Fartcoin, in place of the Fartcoin token or any token that's there, where we have the search, paste this contract address we had copied. Select Fartcoin. And now all you need to do is simply enter an amount of Solana you'd wish to convert into the Fart token. So for $1.45 worth of Solana, you're going to be getting 2.63 Fart tokens. So all you need to do now is click on swap, and it's swapping the tokens. Boom, it's done. So now all you need to do is click on close, head to your dashboard, perform a reload, and boom, we have Fartcoin on this wallet. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.